So here are a few things you should be looking for in a friend or mentor that you confide in. So number one, this person should be an overall positive person. They should enjoy their life. They should have a healthy life. They should live a life of integrity. They should be a positive person, and not a fake positive person, a genuinely positive person with happy things going on in their life. Next, this person should be smart. If possible, they should be smarter than you. Have they had experiences that you haven't had yet? Have they traveled more than you? Do they have different professions than you have? Do they have different friend groups? Do they have different hobbies than you? You want someone who has a big mind. The person you share your goals with should have a growth mindset. They should accept the fact that life is abundant and that life changes, people grow, times change. Once again, not someone who's delusional, but someone who genuinely knows that people can grow to be and do just about anything in life. This person should see you as your own unique person on your own unique journey. They also work to get to know you genuinely, which takes time. So this person should be patient. And this leads to the last trait of a good person to confide in. Number 5, this person should listen. They should hold space for you. They should see you, and they should wait to take in information before they give out advice.